Maison MGA is an innovative company that essentially serves two markets, the world of healthcare industries and semiconductors. So here we are specifically in Mably at MGA MedTech. At MGA MedTech, we design, develop, industrialize, and manufacture instruments for the medicine of the future, and specifically for gene and cell therapies, high precision, intelligent in vitro diagnostic instruments, and microfluidic consumables. Because one of the three major skills that we have here, in addition to all the disciplines of engineering sciences, are microfluidics, optronics, and cell biology.
So the benefits of this SCALLOG solution are being able to precisely adapt to the typology of the parts. At MGA MedTech, we have small parts, large parts, heavy ones, fragile ones, and the SCALLOG solution adapts to all of that, and that's really quite practical since we don't know the products we'll be making tomorrow, and we already know the solution will adapt.
So for me, the implementation of the SCALLOG solution was fast and efficient, since it took less than 11 months between the first contact with the SCALLOG team and the go live.
So the SCALLOG training took place in two stages for us. The first part, we had remote training to familiarize ourselves with the terms we use with the SCALLOG. Afterwards, we had the in-person training, so that was really more meaningful for us. Also, we had a trainer who was very attentive and very accessible. He also told us that we had a hotline if we had any problems, and they are also very responsive when we call them.
So regarding the SCALLOG solution, today at the Mably site, we have 73 shelves, and we also have 5 robots that allow us to manage, well, the incoming and outgoing flows.
So today we have one main operator who uses the SCALLOG, and we also have 2 people trained as backup.
One of the major points is that SCALLOG is made in France. For us, as one of the co-founders of the French fab, it was particularly important to have a French solution. In France, we need to regain our pride, and it's important that companies like MGA and SCALLOG can show as many people as possible that the industry of the future, it can be proud, it can be efficient, perfectly digitized, perfectly organized, and that is really important for Made in France.
Our business is set to grow soon, giving us the chance to test SCALLOG at full capacity and perhaps even expand its capabilities in the near future.
One final word. With SCALLOG, everything planned was delivered and executed, which we really appreciate. We also know we'll have support in the future to keep pace with our company's growth.